Damage and losses from increasingly severe weather events are costing our global economy more than $200 billion per year. From hurricanes and ice storms to wide-scale flooding, these severe weather conditions cause havoc on our power systems. During these events, networks and substation assets can be damaged. Crews must battle storm conditions to find and assess every fault. Operators and dispatchers must navigate through a sea of disconnected data collected from various sources, leaving communities without power for extended periods of time. To identify, assess, visualize, plan, mobilize, and report all the network damage, utilities need interoperable systems and tools that are capable of sharing data between their back-office systems and their in-field teams. GE's comprehensive suite of outage restoration solutions provide utilities with the interoperable tools they need to react and even anticipate outages. With smart devices, geospatial visualization tools, outage and distribution management systems, and mobile workforce applications, utilities can ensure a faster and more efficient recovery. GE's smart controls, sensors, and substation automation devices allow utilities to implement automated switching plans that reroute and restore power, while line sensors wirelessly communicate with control centers to identify the exact fault location. Providing a single, accurate, enterprise-wide view of the utility's network and its assets, GE's Small World Electric Office GIS enables utilities to visualize, collect, and assess each outage. With integrated damage assessment tools and pre-configured workflows, operators can make more informed decisions, mobilize field personnel, and communicate more accurate estimated restoration times. GE's Mobile Enterprise Damage Assessment application allows crews to visualize and capture network data using multiple platforms and devices, providing up-to-the-minute information back to the central control. GE's unique set of outage restoration solutions empower utilities to maximize grid reliability and minimize network downtime.